From Yamaha, NEXO and Steinberg, leaders in professional audio innovation, comes the next chapter in immersive sound. A system designed to make spatial audio accessible, powerful and intuitive.
Introducing Sound XR Image, an immersive audio solution where anyone can easily achieve object-based mixing.
For decades, Yamaha, NEXO and Steinberg have advanced the boundaries of sound, developing world-class mixing consoles, loudspeakers and music production software, refining acoustical science and pioneering audio technologies. With the vision of immersive experiences for everyone, the Sound XR platform was born.
Sound XR is composed of three key elements. Sound XR Core, the foundation of spatial audio in a virtual environment. Sound XR Image, enabling object-based sound localization. And Sound XR Enhance, delivering advanced reverberation control.
Today, Sound XR Image is now available on Yamaha and NEXO's latest signal processors, the new DME series. With this integration, creating immersive soundscapes is no longer limited to specialists. It's available to everyone.
In recent years, the term immersive audio has appeared everywhere, from films to theatres, exhibitions to broadcast. But what makes immersive audio different? Immersive audio creates a deep connection between the audience and the performance by carefully shaping how sound moves and fills the space. It engages not only the ears, but also the mind, heightening perception, attention, and emotional involvement. This connection transforms listening into a fully shared perceptual experience.
At its core is object-based audio. This means that every sound source carries not only audio information, but also positional data. The system then renders these objects in real time based on the actual loudspeaker configuration in the venue. The result? Clear localization, where the sound matches the performer's position on stage. Information once crowded into stereo systems can now be distributed across multiple speakers, delivering clear and more articulate sound. And, when expanded to 360 degrees, a seamless, enveloping soundscape draws the audience completely into the performance.
Sound XR Image advances object-based audio mixing with a focus on precision and naturalness. Objects can be positioned freely in three-dimensional space while preserving tonal consistency even during movement. This ensures stable localization without unwanted changes in timbre. Up to 128 audio objects can be managed simultaneously, each with individually adjustable position and size. In addition, global parameters provide further control of the spatial impression. The precision setting determines the sharpness of localization across the entire sound field, from a tightly focused point to a more diffuse image. The distance attenuation parameter models the natural level reduction of sound with distance, applied consistently to all objects. The sub-renderer enables rendering into two separate loudspeaker spaces at once, supporting advanced system designs such as those including surround subwoofers or fill speakers. The aux send function provides flexible routing options, including direct assignment of objects to LFE channels. Yamaha's extensive expertise in architectural acoustics, developed since 1969, is embodied in the 3D reverb. It incorporates reverberation data recorded in real concert halls, bringing authentic acoustic characteristics into the mix. At the same time, it adjusts early reflections for each object according to its spatial position, enhancing the clarity of localization while preserving a natural sense of space. This allows reverb to integrate seamlessly with direct sound, creating an immersive and highly realistic listening environment. Together, these features give engineers the tools to design immersive environments that are accurate, natural, and musically coherent.
SoundXR Image is not a standalone tool, it's part of a complete integrated workflow. Developed through the collaboration of Yamaha, NEXO and Steinberg, the system provides seamless support from design to operation. With NEXO simulation software, engineers can design optimal loudspeaker layouts for immersive setups and export their designs directly to the processor. Through Provisionaire Design, system designers can configure the optimal signal flow tailored to each performance. And then during operation, the SoundXR Image controller offers intuitive object manipulation. Yamaha mixing consoles provide direct integration, ensuring smooth live control. And then with Steinberg's Nuendo, sound designers and creators can directly position audio objects within the production environment, bridging studio and live workflows.
At the heart of SoundXR Image is the Image Controller application, purpose-built for intuitive, real-time sound design. Users can control not just the position of its object, but also its size, aux send level, reverb send level, and detailed 3D reverb parameters. Scenes can be saved and recalled instantly, making it easy to manage complex shows. Speaker configuration is handled directly within the application, from coordinate input to level, EQ, and delay adjustment. With the rendering area conversion feature, logical coordinates from a DAW or mixing console can be automatically mapped to the real-world speaker layout. This means that configuring immersive systems, once a technical challenge, is now fast, precise, and user-friendly.
SoundXR Image is fully compatible with the OSC Open Sound Control protocol, allowing seamless control from a wide range of external applications, including popular show controller apps such as QLab or Atlas. It also natively supports a variety of advanced tracking systems, enabling real-time positional data to drive immersive audio with incredible precision. In addition, SoundXR Image now supports ADM OSC. This cutting-edge integration allows full interoperability with ADM-compliant systems, enabling the transfer of complex object-based audio metadata in real time.
SoundXR Image adapts to a wide range of applications. In a stage-centric, 180-degree immersive setup, such as a live concert, it ensures clear localization for performers, keeping sound aligned with the stage action. In a stage-centric, 360-degree immersive setup, used in theatre or live performance, it allows both performers and sound effects to be precisely located, while immersive reverberation adds depth and dramatic impact. And in a non-directional, 360-degree immersive, SoundXR Image is the perfect tool for media art and installations where audiences are surrounded by creative, dynamic soundscapes.
SoundXR Image is more than technology, it's a vision where immersive sound is no longer limited to specialized venues or elite productions, but accessible to every creator, engineer and performer.
With training and resources available through Audioversity, Yamaha and NEXO are committed to supporting professionals as they step into the future of audio.
Discover a system where immersive becomes intuitive.